It's Thursday, October 5th, and welcome to the MAC weather page. And if we look at the headlines, we finally got some much needed rainfall on the way. It looks like around 6/10 to an inch of rain. We continue to use that as a forecast, and that'll be from Wednesday, yesterday, right on through Saturday night. And again, showers will be on the increase today and tonight. I think a better chance of showers will come later in the day on Friday or Friday evening into Saturday. That's when our best chance of rain, and I think we could see at least a quarter or a half inch out of that, and maybe 1 to 2/10 of an inch before then. And temperatures will continue to be mild. If we look at the forecast, again, I'm forecasting for this 4-day period of Wednesday through Saturday, 6/10 to an inch. We're averaging 0.04, and so we got a ways to go, but you can see some of the areas that picked up some precipitation yesterday. St. Thomas, a nice 2/10 there, and 0.12 of an inch at Jasper. If we look at the again the monthly rainfall totals, again we'll use this map also as a storm total because we did not pick up any precipitation until Wednesday. So again, this map will also work well for our storm forecast, and you can see some of the amounts since yesterday. If we look at the current temperatures around the area, again, temperatures range quite a bit, all the way from down to 41 degrees in Newaygo to 51 in Breckenridge and Henderson, all the way to 61 degrees down at Jasper and Blissfield for the warm spot. If we look at the other condition temperature-wise, as far as around the rest of the state of Michigan, range anywhere from 36 degrees at Pellston all the way down to near Monroe, down at 63 degrees there as well. So quite a range in temperatures, 27-degree spread between the highest and the lowest temperatures at the current time. And if we look at satellite view this morning, you can see some of the MCSs blowing up over Minnesota, now moving into Wisconsin. Another cell developing across southeast and south central South Dakota. And again, this activity now beginning to make the bend from west to east rather than moving to the northeast. So these should affect us again as we go through the day. And a better chance will be is when the main low pulls out and moves up towards the Great Lakes, towards Wisconsin here as we get into Saturday. If we look at the radar, this activity will be mainly just to our south. Some scattered showers may sneak into southeast lower Michigan, but again, we're waiting for this return moisture with the warm front to begin to increase and move off into the general direction of the state over the next 24 hours. You can see on the weather map this morning, the front that went through yesterday now beginning already to turn around as a warm front. And again, as we move through the day on Friday, you'll see that warm front now lifting up towards the northern Ohio Valley. It's when that becomes to move into the state when we'll see a better chance of showers again, especially for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, and then that will continue right into Saturday as that low pressure system again continues to move closer and closer to the Great Lakes. By 7 a.m. it's in Iowa with the warm front draped right across lower Michigan, bringing us a pretty good chance of showers. Also very warm temperatures. We'll climb up into the mid to upper 70s, looks like, as we go through the weekend, maybe even touching 80 in some areas, especially for Sunday into Monday. As far as precipitation here, this will be through 1 a.m. on Sunday morning. You can see a large area of between a half inch and an inch of rain across much of the lower peninsula, especially across southwest lower Michigan. And over the next 7 days, looks like a good amount of precipitation will finally grace the area as we go through the next 7 days. As far as the extended outlook, as far as temperatures and precipitation, looks like we'll be near normal to maybe a little above normal in both the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day outlooks. As far as precipitation, looks like we're going to dry out again. So we should continue to see really good weather as far as harvest operations once we get past these next 4 or 5 days with the rainfall that we expect. And as far as the forecast goes, today we'll have sunshine, clouds will increase, maybe a chance of showers by the afternoon. It'll be mild, highs in the mid-70s, and then with more clouds and rainfall on Friday, we'll see our temperatures in the mid-60s to around 70. We'll have about a 40% chance of showers during the day, increasing to 80% overnight, and then showers a good bet for the day on Saturday with that warm front moving through, highs in the mid-70s by later in the afternoon. And look at Sunday and Monday, a couple of great days with lots of sunshine, temperatures well into the 70s. As far as weather watch, nothing going out there, just a few flood warnings well off to our west out in Minnesota and Iowa, but for the Great Lakes, we are in great shape. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.